So many times I'm often asked, Doctor, can you share some tips about how to maintain a healthy weight for my child? So, as we all know, the healthy meal planning and physical activity is a very important aspect of weight management. And also, there is something much more important which we are often neglected. So, this is our behavior and attitude, or a change in the behavior and attitude that is required to maintain a healthy weight. So, what are some of the tips that can be shared? So, some tips that I would like to give are, so eat together as a family. So everybody in the family should sit together and eat at the table. And the dinner time or the meal time should be gadget free. And this includes the parents as well. So all forms of TV and electronic gadgets should be switched off, and the meal time should be looked forward as a family time. And it's important to have a healthy meal plan with a lot of healthy options on the table. And dinner time conversation should be something pleasant and enjoyable for everyone. Make sure that your child gets adequate water. And the other thing is to have exercise portion control. It's important to understand that too much of healthy food is also not good. So it's important to have healthy portions based on your child's age and weight and consume that much accordingly. It's important to include a lot of fruits and vegetables in your child's diet. The other thing I'm often asked are, Doctor, I try so much, my child just refuses to eat fruits or vegetables. So some tips to tackle this are, you could involve your child more in the meal planning. Taking children out and involving them in grocery shopping, prepping meals, planning meals for the week will get them more interested. Older children may also like to take part in cooking as well as assisting during cooking. So these are some things where your children might find it more interesting in eating, and they may develop a healthy attachment towards food. The other important thing is, I know all children have a busy schedule. Some of them start school early and many of them may stay back because of tuitions. It's important to start the day right, to never skip the breakfast. It is shown by a lot of research that skipping breakfast kind of sets a bad trend for the day and increases the risk of these children putting on weight and leading to complications because of that. So what are the other behavior modifications that can be done? That is in terms of physical activity. So as we all know, depending upon the conditions of the family or the place where we stay or the work atmosphere, it may not be possible to always go out and do the physical activity which is ideal. Okay? So it is important to stay physically active even if it is not as part of the exercise. So encourage children to help out with the household chores, use walking or other forms of commute such as bicycling to short distances. Use stairs instead of lifts whenever it's possible, including in malls and in shopping complexes and all that. And make exercise or physical activity a family time. Remember that children always look up to adults as their role models. It's important for adults, that is including parents, grandparents, or whoever is there in the family, to adopt healthy practices, eat more of home cooked meals, choose healthier options even when you occasionally have to dine out. So with some of these tips, it is possible to maintain healthy weight for your children so that they have a good future ahead. At Aster RV Hospital, we are starting Fit Kids and Teens Comprehensive Healthy Weight Clinic, which is a new initiative. The clinic is going to be launched on the 18th of August, and we are going to run the clinic on the first and third Fridays of every month between 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. So in this clinic, you will get to meet all the experts, including a pediatric endocrinologist, a pediatrician, and a pediatric nutritionist, all under one roof. Here, the child will be assessed comprehensively and a customized plan will be provided based on the assessment made. At the Healthy Weight Clinic, we are not only going to be managing kids who come with obesity, but we will also be addressing concerns of children who are underweight, who are born small or low birth weight and premature and who are having difficulty in catching up growth, children who are picky eaters, children in whom the parents are out of ideas to feed them with healthy meals. So here we will be providing growth assessment, dietary assessment, as well as a customized meal and physical activity plan.